Abortion has America up in arms for many years with constant questions regarding the view of many people that abortion is illegal and unethical. The other half of Americans say it's ethical because a woman has the right to choose whether or not she wants a baby. Some people have used the Bible, say abortion is wrong and is a form of murder. Women's rights groups have backed women who have chosen abortion over the life of a child. Research shows that most abortions are not done for reasons, nor are they truly to protect the life of the mother. Most abortions are done for convenience. The mother is always blind. A great many abortions are done after the mother is pressured by the father or others and yields to those most important to her. There's a strong saying of many women that a child should be able to have a say in a situation involving her body. For those who oppose abortion shouldn't care about personal decisions that doesn't affect. There's a strong point for women who are independent but their life has been taken into consideration before you just discard it. Abortion is extremely hard for women who have been raped, and the thought of having a baby by a rapist makes it even worse. She may have a moral convictions where she is against abortion, but she cannot see herself having a child by him. This, with the threat of being a victim of sexual transmitted disease, may cause her to go into deep depression and take her own life. Abortion is a hard subject and deals with multiple moral and unmorable choices that people have to make and live with for the rest of their lives. Your moral principles are extremely important when dealing with subject as abortion. In 2001, approximately 1.6 million abortions took place in the U.S., down from the estimated 1.2 million abortions in 2008, 129 million in 2002, 1.3 million from 1973 through 2011. Nearly 3 million legal abortions occurred in the United States. These are huge numbers. Dealing with abortion leaves me with the feeling that these are unnecessary. I would at some point expect people's moral principles to kick in and say this is wrong and I'm having sexual relations without protection and I'm putting myself and others at risk with my behavior. I believe the lack of respect for human life comes from humans being selfish and want to live from moment to moment, seeking things of pleasure to fulfill their life with material things that really have no substance to live at all. You can't replace your life nor trade in, but you can replace material things and learn to do without them. Let me refer you to back to the Bible where it states, "You shall not murder." Exodus 20:13. The life that's born within the mother is a child, a baby. This passage from the Bible guides us in making good decisions if we believe the Lord and have moral convictions in our lives. Poor choices main concern is not the guarded protection of the life in the womb, but instead the rights of the mother over and against the rights of the child growing in her. For God so loved the world, he gave his only son. Animals don't kill what is in their wombs. People are the only one who kills the young while still unborn. Even if you had an abortion, it's still too late for you, because all you have to do is confess to the Lord and Jesus and ask him to forgive you. Non-religious issues as the following question: what gives a being the right to life? A fetus, a human being. Is a fetus a separate being from its mother? We know a fetus is an innocent human being. Deliberately killing an innocent human being is wrong. Therefore, abortion is the deliberate killing of a fetus. The battleground was drawn when the decision to make abortion was protected under the constitutional right to privacy in the 1973 landmark case of Roe versus Wade. The Supreme Court applied this core constitutional principle of privacy and liberty to the woman's ability to terminate pregnancy. The court ruled that the states were forbidden from outlawing or regulating any aspect of abortion performed during the first trimester of pregnancy. Only could attack abortion regulations reasonably to relate to the material health in the second or third trimester, and could attack abortion law protecting the life of the fetus only in the third trimester. Wade politically divided the nation more than any other recent case, continuing to inspire heated debates, politics, and even violence today. For the years, anti-abortion extremists have been targeting Planned Parenthood, which provides productive health care and sex. What is morale? To me, is this part of the culture relativism that brings it home in dealing with the abortions It says there's no object moral standards that apply universally rather than what is right or wrong. Depends entirely on the customs that have arisen in different societies. Clearly, both parties of abortion experience psychological egotism, whereas whenever you do something that you are motivated by your strong desire, whenever you are motivated by your strong desire, you are pursuing your self-interest. Hence, one person has self-interest of saving lives and the other wants to protect the rights of women. Morality and religion will always play a huge role in dealing with abortion issues. Religious belief is need to get us